Good morning and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. This is not normally how I start my videos, very barefaced, but I wanted to film myself getting ready this morning as I always have a lot of questions as to how I do my makeup, what makeup I use, and everything like that. So I thought I would put it all in a video for you so that if you wanted to see what products I use or anything like that, then you can just refer to this video. So the first thing that I do when I get ready is curl my hair so that it can sort of hold and sit there for a bit. So I'm going to curl my hair first. So the first thing I do is brush my hair. And then I part my hair down the middle, so I'm just going to part it from behind so it's evenly split, and then I just spray it before I curl it with my hairspray. So this is the DNA Organics Top Coat Maxim Spray, and I will try to link this one down below for you. So this is my go-to everyday look, and as you could see, I start off with my hair and I curl it, hairspray it, leave it tight while I do my makeup so that by the time I'm finished with my makeup and I brush out my curls, it stays nice and wavy like this all day. Today I have a few things that I need to do. So first thing is I'm gonna change out of my pajamas. Then I received a delivery of my padded mailers that I send my jewelry off in, and usually when they arrive I put all of my return address stickers on the back, so I might do that with you. Then I'm going to do a little bit of work which I won't film on here, make some lunch, pack my orders and bring them to the post office. Okay, so that's the mailers done. I didn't do all of them, but just enough to get me through the next few days. So now I'm just going to make some lunch. I have just packed my orders and brought them to the post office, and I've just gotten home to Aaron making dinner, which is lovely. So I'm going to leave this video here. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!